In this video, I'm going to show you how to export data from your analysis grid, because you may want to produce a physical list of the plays or the information that you want to share or have in your hand, or you maybe want to take this data and use it in some other type of editor, import it into another system that you want to use. So when you're logged in, you've got some games up here. For however many games you've got selected, you can export the data out for those. And so we could do that here. Let's do Utah. So let's pull up all Utah games here, and maybe I want to select these last 3 games here, and I want to export all this data out for these 3 games. So I'm just going to go to Export Data, and it's now downloading the CSV file. So when I pull this up, I now have a nice list of all the information from these last 3 Utah games. Now, one thing to note about the export here is that it will always export all of the columns. So right now it'll export all the columns. You can't specifically choose just the columns you want it to export. It'll do all of them by default. But what you can do is you can pull up just a filter and then export out just those plays. So again, maybe you wanted to do just Utah on offense, and maybe you wanted just some sort of an offensive list. So you've got all of Utah's offensive plays. I could export those, and then now you can see I've got a nice list of just Utah offensive plays for the last 3 games.